All right, so to review, a diary entry should include the date, month, year, and sometimes the specific day when it was written. A diary entry should be written in first person. It should have an introduction that says what the diary will be about. It should include how the person who's writing it feels about the events that are in their diary. It should be written in chronological order, and it should include a conclusion that ends the diary. So now you're going to go back to the tracker and click on the link for the exit ticket. And you're going to read another diary entry that I wrote that you're going to read to notice the mistakes that do not follow the diary entry elements that we went over today. If you're working on a computer, then you can identify them in the document, or you can write them down on a sheet of paper and then give it to me when we get back to school. Bye.